And welcome to Crypto Gists, and I still be on a crypto babe. And today I want to talk about alternative to paper money, that is our fiat currency, na fiat in the color. But before I continue, I still want to ask whether you don't subscribe to my channel, you don't like my page, and you don't share them. And if you never do these three things, I beg, rush do them now. Take up to 3 seconds. Then click on the notification bell. That's bell when they click, hit them, down, so that anytime I make another video, you get notification say another video don't land on top of YouTube. So wetin I want to talk about now, alternative to fiat, that is our paper money. And we get plenty alternative to paper money, and the first one, as you all know, na cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, I don already explain wetin cryptocurrency be to us. We already know wetin cryptocurrency be, but right now wetin even make me wan talk about this thing na say, una know say if two elephants dey fight, na grass dey suffer. As e be now, China and America, the two of them carry head lock on for inside one kind confam fight, as two ram go do when Ileya don dey reach. So this fight, when they fight now, they don dey fight am since. So e start with wetin they call 5G. 5G na internet matter sha. They dey quarrel over the thing. So China don devalue their money. As China devalue their money now, America sef don dey act like say they say they wan do their own. So anyway, the matter just long, e plenty, e come dey one kind. But as this thing dey happen, as I don tell una before, when two elephants fight, na grass dey suffer. When country decide say they wan devalue their money, e get reasons why. Sometimes na because say they wan comot from some kind debt wey they don collect, like maybe they borrow money. Then if they borrow 100,000 naira now, for instance, and they wan pay that money back, and the money big well for their eye, they fit devalue their money. So when they devalue their money, instead of 100,000 naira, they will come pay 50,000 naira. You understand? Because their money value don fall. The another reason fit be because say they wan make global trade. Because now, if as Chinese now don reduce the value of their money, they fit dey do export easily. Like export now, people go come dey buy things from their country go another country, but import go hard for them because their money don fall. So if they wan buy things from other country, the value of their money to that country money don reduce. Shey you understand? But all that one na big grammar. But this our paper money, wey be say sometimes they just dey use the money dey do us anyhow. Which other means I come fit use say I go preserve my future, instead of my come dey gather dollar or gather naira or gather paper money keep? Na wetin I wan talk to una about today. We fit use the option of gold. We get gold. People dey buy gold, dey store gold for their house or for bank. Nobody dey keep gold for house. Now if you keep gold for house, the owner of the gold fit come find am, and I sure say you know who dem be, the owner be. So instead of gold, people fit buy, instead of paper money, people fit buy gold. And you can't get one platform where we say if you buy gold with cryptocurrency, that they call the platform Vaultoro. That is VAUL Toro, TORO. So if you buy cryptocurrency from Vaultoro with if you buy gold from Vaultoro with cryptocurrency, and you still also fit invest in real estate, na the way to use preserve your money against this current paper money battle wey be say countries dey get among themselves be that. So na alternative to keeping paper money be that. Instead of him to say, okay, I get 50,000 naira for bank, I keep my 50,000 naira for bank. Instead, if you carry your 50,000 naira, may you buy gold. Because before countries can start to dey use their money, they measure against each other money. Na gold na im be the store of value, na im be the measurement of currency value. So you fit buy gold keep. Then you fit also buy land, that is real estate. As we all know, land value dey always increase, because if you buy land 100,000 naira today, next 2 years, 5 years, the value of the land go don increase, because na so we dey populate, we dey born dey full everywhere, dey multiply. Some people be like say na only dem God tell say be full through and multiply. They don born full everywhere, so they go need space. People need to expand. The earth don dey full, dey populate. So if you also buy land, then invest in land. You can get another platform when say that they invest in land too, that they call the platform Abit. That is ABIT, Abit Crowd Arbit Crowd Real Estate. So this Arbit Crowd Real Estate, then they use cryptocurrency, or if you even use your fiat, buy land. And not be say na only you dey buy the land, so because some people dey complain say they no too get money like that. You and plenty other people fit also gather join money together, buy the land, then una come sell am, come get money. Wetin dey call am na crowdfunding. So no be say na you get the land, only you get the land. No, you and people na im join hand together. So all of una when join money together buy that land, una be co-investors and co-owners of the land. So una go share for the profit of the land, you understand? So basically na wetin I just say my come tell una now, say as China and USA now don dey battle, they don dey battle, make we sef dey preserve our future. Now for we Nigerians now, some people don dey plan on how they wan go buy dollar, make they keep the dollar, so that as if dollar price fall, they will buy and keep. In case dollar price high, they go sell and get more money. Na business sef for some other people be that. But basically the topic of today na how we go fit use preserve our self in case our paper money start to dey fumble. So if you never still dey follow me, abeg take small time, subscribe to my channel, like the video and share the video to people wey need am. Thank you.